Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, there is unfortunately not much to add. After my last video, we still take a look at the latest developments here in the very short term and talk about two possibilities that are unfolding here. Overall, my view is still that we peaked here at the top at 2020 US dollars. That was a wave one consisting of 5 waves. Problem here is a small problem. I talked about it a few times, that this could also be counted as a 3-wave move. So it is not a very clear impulse. Yeah, some of you will remember that I was not entirely happy about how this 5th wave evolved. So it's just something to have on the radar. Yeah, I need to mention that because it can be possible that this move down is not an ABC pattern, but eventually will lead to new lows in a 5-wave move. Yeah, which means that we would take out the June low, go below $880, and maybe then find support at around $650. In that case, we would have to count the move up here as an ABC, and then we're coming down in 5 waves. That is absolutely possible. Therefore, I'm highlighting in every video the $1,000 level as key support level for the bullish scenario. And if we lose that, then it increases the chances, obviously, to make new lows. It is not an invalidation point for the bullish scenario. Theoretically, the bullish case, in the bullish case, we could come down all the way to 880, hold it, and then move up. But it's just, again, below the $1,000 level. It will get unreliable because there are certain Fibonacci retracement levels below which a certain scenario gets unlikely. And this is pretty much around the $1,000 mark. So at the moment, we're still looking at this, therefore, as a corrective pattern down, ABC, in a wave 2. That is an interesting trade setup. I already bought at $12.50. I will buy again should we get down into this area down here once more, which I think we will and should, not guaranteed. Therefore, I already bought. And we are now in this C wave, obviously, in a 5-wave move. The wave C consists of 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Could very well be that the 5th wave was already in here, but it doesn't look very likely given the sideways movement that occurred here over the last few days and the last week. This is just not a very bullish signal, because it would mean, if that was the case, that a local bottom was created here, a meaningful one, then we should have moved up and broken the $1,400 level ideally. Now at the moment, my view is there are 2 counts possible, that we have done either wave. So I'm predominantly looking at one more low, because the patterns just look best with one more low. I believe that as long as we stay below the $1,400 level. So the $1,400 level is key. That is this important resistance level here, where we tested the resistance 3 to 4 times and haven't broken it. So there are 2 possibilities. Either wave 4 peaked here on the 21st of September. We came down in a wave A, we moved up in a B, and we're now coming down in C. And in the C wave, we have done, as you can see highlighted in white here, we have done 5 waves down in a wave 1. We're now pulling back in wave 2, and there will be a wave 3 to the downside. So, and then 4, 5, obviously, to finish off and make a new low below. I think it was 1220 is the one that we did here a week ago, pretty much. Yeah. So in this case, let me just adjust here the wave 2. Just need to move it a bit higher. We have not reached any level that would be sort of dangerous for a wave 2. Said in previous videos that key levels here are the round about 1350. Yeah, so here to be exact, 1344, 1370. That is holding at the moment. So at any point we could reverse now and come down again, similar to the Bitcoin video. If you've seen it, this could be a first 1-2 setup of the wave 3 to the downside anyway. But until we see something more clearly, it's not confirmed. But the 61.8% Fib level or the 78.6, these are key levels for wave 2 to turn around. So I'm looking here at lower lows. Ideal target for the lows is around 1150 to 1200. Another possibility is that this wave 4 ended actually here just a couple of days ago at the $1,400 level. It just means that we count this differently, but the wave 4 ended then here, and then we are moving down also in a wave 5, but it would be in purple, the purple count, not as a 5-wave move, but I would count it just as a 3-wave move, A, B, C. So the same way as I count the red wave 5 as A, B, C, there is a chance to just move the wave 4 across here and just count it from here as A, B, C. This is both possible. I can't tell you which one is right or wrong. They're both pointing to the downside, and therefore I'm looking at that as long as Ethereum stays below $1,400. And that's pretty much my update about ETH. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.